You see images every day on social media, but have you ever thought that you can turn those images into videos and actually earn money from them on YouTube? Yes, in this video, I'll explain how you can create unlimited image-to-video content and start earning, even without a camera or editing skills. First, let's understand what image-to-video really means. It's a concept where you take static pictures and turn them into short stories or slideshow videos. For example, motivational quotes with background music, historical photo facts, animal stories, or travel destinations. You can create all of these easily using AI tools. If you're a beginner, all you need is a simple idea. For example, top 10 beautiful places in the world, or motivational quotes with music. Then download high-quality pictures from free stock photo websites like Faceless, Pictory AI, or Unsplash. Next, open an AI video tool such as Kaiber AI, Pictory AI, CapCut, Meta AI, or Canva. Upload your images, and the tool automatically makes a smooth video with background music and transitions. If you want to take it to the next level, use AI voiceover tools like ElevenLabs, Google Studio, or HeyGen. These convert your written script into a natural human voice, so you don't even need to record your own voice. Just paste your lines and your narration is ready. Now, let's talk about how to earn money. First, create your own YouTube channel. Pick a niche like motivational slides, travel stories, animal facts, or kids learning videos. Then start uploading 1 or 2 videos every day. Consistency is key on YouTube. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. For example, if you're making travel videos, add affiliate links for hotel bookings or camera gear in your video description. When viewers buy through those links, you earn a commission. Another great method is YouTube Shorts. The image-to-video format is perfect for shorts. Just make 15 to 60-second videos using trending background music and text overlays. When your shorts go viral, you can earn through YouTube Shorts Fund or ad revenue. To make your videos look more professional, use CapCut for effects and text animations. Add slight zoom-in effects on each image and smooth text transitions to make your videos more engaging. For music, you can use free tracks from YouTube Audio Library. Focus on a niche with high audience demand, like motivational quotes, kids learning, history, space, or food facts. Use 10 to 15 images per video to make 1 to 2 minute content. Then combine multiple short videos into a longer weekly compilation. The more videos you make, the more views and earnings you'll get. It's a long-term passive income source. You just need consistency and patience for the first few weeks. Once your videos start getting views, monetization and sponsorships will come naturally. So what are you waiting for? Start turning your images into videos using AI tools today. Be creative, stay consistent, and turn your imagination into income.